Hey, welcome back, noobs. Today we're going to work on this Maytag Bravo washer of ours. It's about 5 years old, and the clutch, well, at least I'm assuming the clutch and the belt has went out on this thing, or not completely out, but are on the spin cycle. It is not spinning down as fast as it should. It makes a sound. When it takes off, you can hear something slipping. You can tell it's slipping. So it could be just the belt. I looked at the belt and it's not that wore. So I'm thinking it's a clutch assembly. So we're going to put a new belt and clutch assembly, which is got off Amazon for about $70 for the pair. This is a $300 or $400 repair if you have somebody do it. Just need a few tools for this. I think a 1/13 socket, screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and maybe one other little nut driver or socket. And that's about it. First of all, unplug your unit, kill the power, and get it out somewhere where you can lay it back on its back. Put a pad down or something like that. Today I am going, actually going to lay it back on this two-wheeler here, so that when it comes up, it'll actually be up in the air a little bit, make it much easier to work on. So let's we're in the garage, so if there's some water in it, which it sounds like there is some water in it, it'll just drain out. We'll get to the bottom side here. Now you can see the bottom side of it. Okay, here we are. And here's a little box from Amazon. That's the new clutch assembly, spring, and belt. So that's what we're going to be replacing. Okay, these are number 8s, by the way. Okay, cover off, and now you can see the assembly. Start by getting the belt off, which you pretty much take anything. Just give it a little turn. This should be a number 13 nut on this. Okay, I got the nut off. I know we dropped this off next. Right here it looks like a couple of Phillips head screws. Take out, drop this, because you see this little arm, maybe you can see that, little arm right here on the shifter. You have to take this off so you can get the clutch out. But there's just maybe just 2 screws that hold that on. I've never done this before. I have seen it done. Yep, there's the second screw. You just drop this down, let it hang. Now you got your clutch assembly here, which I'm hoping these aren't pressed on. Oh, it comes off easy. There we go. Gear. And the clutch assembly, which is hold on. Now that's the housing around it, which is, I remember there's some little clip-on flaps here that hold on. Just give that a spin, pull it out, and just spin it back. These little clips kind of go on there like that. And then you got your spring. Now, we should do this in reverse order. Put the spring back on. And this even comes with a new nut. Put that up there. Put that there. And this little shifter thing is right there. Oh, it's got to go there. Okay, that's locked in place. Now, let's go ahead and get our arm back on. Put that in there. There's little prongs there, so you can't really put it in the wrong position. Phillips. Phillips. Now it's amazing, and I don't know it for a fact, but that's what I've heard that. Where's the plastic? There it is. That it was $300 or $400 to have this done. Seems excessive to me, but over the time you could buy this washer, I want to say we got it on sale for under $400 for the whole thing, but now they're twice that much. Goes back on like this. Put the lid back in here. Put your nut back on. And I didn't see anywhere where this has to be torqued down to a certain position or anything, because it's just a piece of plastic. I don't think you want it to torque down too much. Goes on tight like that new nut does. Okay, we got our new belt out. Put it in the grooved part first. That'll make it a little easier than spinning around here, and then just kind of give it a just giving it a little spin until you get it on there. It should equalize here. Have a little trouble getting this thing to spin. There's no grooves on this one, so you can actually kind of slide it into place. think it's because it's still got some water in the thing. It's making the tub hard to spin, but you can hear the water slashing around. That looks right. Okay, put your cover back on. And that's it. It actually took longer to get the washer out than to put that whole clutch assembly on. There's the whole parts. But okay, well, that's it for the assembly. Now to get it back upright, and I'm going to test it out here in the garage before I put it back into place. Okay, I put my dolly over here. This is outside the garage, so put the drain hose up here because you got to have it at like above 38 inches or something like that for it to drain right. And that's the main thing, because what was happening is our clothes were coming out extremely wet. So since this is just a hose running up there, water hose, just hook it up to the cold side. Put the hot over here. Okay, and I've got it hooked up to a heavy duty cord here, so the voltage will be okay. Got some couple sheets in there. I'm gonna get a couple more. Okay, that gives us a little weight. Let me go turn the water on. Then you just pick the cord up off the garage floor in case we get splashed. You don't want to get shocked doing this. So basically we just want to see if it'll drain. So I'm thinking drain and spin. Well, these Bravos, it takes a little while because they have to sense the load, how much is in there, and how much water to put in it and all that stuff, so it takes a minute. Let's see if it's spinning any better, if it's going to hold its speed. That'll make it easy. Okay, let's test this out. Okay, it's pumping out the water now. As you can see, good flow, no stoppage on the hose. And it's draining down. I'm just curious what's going to happen on the spin cycle. Should kick on the spin here. Come on, baby. We're trying to do it a few times. Seems like it's going faster than it was. I don't think it was doing that before. So we'll let it run through the rest of its cycle. And if she works, I'll get her back installed and show you how we did. Okay guys, success. She seems to be spitting down properly now.
So there you go, changing out the belt and the clutch on a Maytag Bravo. We got it. I'm going to go ahead and I just added some detergent. We're going to let it run a full cycle now. Just go ahead and wash these towels because they were dirty. And we got lots of laundry to catch up on. So you can do it yourself if you've got just a little bit of mechanical ability, I suppose, some common sense. And now you can watch a YouTube video and figure out how to do it. Anyway, until the next video, adios, and we will see you soon.